What's up, everyone? Well, we just got into Wing Mountain area where we're camping, having a big birthday camp out. I'm super stoked. Some of my best friends from high school are gonna be here and just so many fun people. So I'm excited to bring you guys along for the shenanigans. So in this video, we'll be touching on all the different setups my friends brought out to enjoy their camping experience. From camper trailers to van build outs to minimalist truck campers, you'll see pretty much all the spectrum here today. All right, I think this spot will do.
You ready to go for a moto, homie? Let's send her. Get you pouched up, cuz.
Spike out for a rip. He's mobbing. Uh-oh, he knows the camera's on him. No, Wally, don't push it too hard. Yeah! Oh, he's cruising.
Hey, bro.
Wally's living the van life. He's building this van out. It's a passenger, a handicap van.
What's going on? Oh, you got the dirt bike!
I saw the second
Wally's
one.
socks in the tree.
Somebody's.
What's your reaction on that, Five? Nah. Wally's living out of a van now.
Yep, welcome to van life.
Van life, dude.
No.
Haven't started the build yet, but we're getting there.
This is how you air out your socks, man.
In
And you
3
get
months,
that pine
it will be
flavor.
built.
Yeah.
3 months. I'm gonna start the exterior bed liner, paint job, a lift, wheels, tires.
You.
Probably
Moto
front end
van.
swap. Gonna insulate, panel the whole inside, and she's gonna look like a beaut.
Dude, I'm stoked to see this thing. Right now it's moto van.
Yeah, dude.
And you got your boots, you got your oh my gosh.
and my
Why did I
peanuts.
touch it? He's got his boots and his peanuts.
Quit touching my nuts, Phil.
Dude. Oh, I wasn't trying to. But yeah, this is fun. Wally's always got different setups. Goes from a truck camper to a trailer to a van.
And
It's
back to
pretty
a truck
sweet,
pop-up camper.
Yeah, I'm excited
And
to
out
see
of the
this
van.
build.
I think
Got
this
a
one's
nice
gonna
high
stick
top.
around for a while. Though. I'm gonna put some good money in it.
Little lift, a little bit of a lift.
Yeah.
We're gonna go around camp. Nice.
Dude, this is awesome. What? You built this last night?
Right before I left.
What?
It's not the perfect finish, but
It's awesome, man. Dude, I like it. Just in time for the big trip, huh?
Yep.
Nice.
Dude, this is great.
So sick. So Jeremy slept in the shift pod last night. Got a lot of new crew. Got Tyler in the motor van. Got all our moto buddies over here. Two of my friends have brought some really cool trailers. Little drop down step, standard little deal. Fife actually rented this trailer, so it's got the dinette that goes down into a bed. Plenty of overhead storage there. Propane fridge. Little bunks. I actually slept in this bunk last night. It was really pretty small. I had my head down there at first and it was really claustrophobic. Fife and I were talking and it was like, he was like, sounds like you're really far away, dude. Anyways, I put my head at this side and it seemed to be a little better. The bathroom's pretty cool. Plenty big enough. Actually works real well and doesn't really stink, which is nice. Big shower. Really big shower. We're not gonna need that on this trip, but yeah, Fife is just renting this. Nice burners and sinks. We're cooking outside for the most part. Got a little thing, got a little window unit AC and the emergency exit door window opens up quite a bit. But yeah, these things are cool. So he's renting this, seeing if, you know, a trailer is the right thing. It's certainly not something that you're gonna want to do tons of crazy off-roading in, but it's amazing where you can get these things, especially something like the Jayco here with all this ground clearance. He's towing it with his Ford 7.3, so plenty of torque and power there, but definitely towing a trailer nonetheless is something that, you know, it's just different. And
Hi, Bubba's.
Phil's treasure of the week. So deer skull.
oh, cool. You cashed some geodes?
Yeah, we got after it. Yeah. You got a mob tag in there?
Nice! Dude, that's awesome. Hey, coach. Get out of there. You're not going in a Jeep. Get out of there.
Hi, baby.
Get out of there. Nobody can get out. Nobody can get out.
Ollie.
Kobe and Jeremy. Bunch of mobbers in the minivan. I gotta document this. This thing is so freshy. 2020! Strap 250L. And you don't need an R, you need that L. Wow.
On the plastic, like right here.
Oh, Beretta's really good at that. You know the cargo part? It already scratched it.
Oh, that was its first.
Yeah, it's like already scratched. I didn't even get to do it.
That's okay. You're gonna do plenty more. Hey, what you doing, Wally?
Breaking in her suspension, boy. We're trying to bottom out tonight.
Oh yeah, bud. Oh my gosh.
Gotta have a key to fill this thing up. Ain't nobody filling this tank, you know what I'm saying? This is so freshy. You know what's great about it? So that's a race bike, right? Like that's fun, I'm sure you know, but like
No, I really
this is a trail bike, which means you can go mob around out here on these little bumps and stuff and be super plush and smooth. And like, yeah, they're gonna have fun, but like you're gonna have the smoothest ride ever. This is like the best bike you could have bought to like learn and then also still progress and like feel comfortable.
Well, thanks so much for watching my video. It was an awesome time we had out here. And yeah, I just enjoy showing you guys different options of camp setups. Be sure to drop a comment and let me know what your favorite rig of the video was. And I encourage you to share the video with someone who you think might like it. Stoked to see you next time. The only question is, are you down to mob?